Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this entire car is wrapped in PPF, paint protection film, front to back. Every single panel, front bumper, hood, fenders, doors, mirrors, roof rails, roof, spoiler, back bumper, quarter panel, everything. You can see it's sitting on some gorgeous welds. Lowered on H&R springs. The stock springs are included. I do not think stock wheels are included though. I did not see those. Got a laminated window sticker here. All of these options will be on the website. $95,000 MSRP. Absolutely gorgeous car though, but we're gonna walk around this car and look for any imperfections. Here on the front right wheel, you have a little bit of rash right there. You have to get really close to see that. Very subtle. The rest of that looks good. Those wheels are incredible. That stance is insane too. 285, 35, 20. Full PPF, like I said. That looks incredible. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar's nice and clean. Full front windshield tint, which is illegal, but it looks really good. So just so you know, that's illegal, but nice and clean. Really dark tint here. The stance on this thing is perfect. Wheels look amazing. Date code 2024 on the tire. NATO NT555. R2s. 315s out back here. Look how clean all of that is. Incredible wheel. Smoked marker lights. I don't see any flaws up here on the hood that stand out. So you got the smoked marker lights, full front clip PPF here as well. All that's protected. That looks perfect. This car's very low, so I'm gonna get under here. Bumper's good. That little plastic piece has a little bit of rash on it, but I mean that's sitting an inch off the ground. That looks good. So far, I don't see any rash on the bumper itself that's standing out. That all looks good. Fender looks awesome. Here on the wheel, I don't see any rash on there. Nice, clean mud flap there. Really like that. Rest of that looks good. A little snag on the film right there. That's really the only thing I'm seeing so far. That wheel looks incredible, nice and clean. Thing's pretty much brand new. All right, looking at the interior, once again, this thing is brand new, smells brand new. I have the windows down and this entire room smells brand new. Absolutely gorgeous, all-weather mats. Like I said, full body PPF. All of that looks amazing. Mats look good. Love the red pedals. Alcantara is perfect. There's no flaws on these seats. They look amazing. Got the dry carbon. Like I said, brand new. buttons are perfect. There's your cold start. Dark window tint looks amazing. Heated steering wheel. Heated cool seats. All the goodies. All of that looks good. And because of the welds, the sensors are not in there. So you're gonna get your light. So you just gotta keep up with your tire pressures. Here on the front right door panel, once again, absolutely perfect. You got the light on the ground. All weather mats. Seats look brand new, smell brand new. Incredible car. There's your JAILBREAK logo. Dash looks good. The rest of this looks good. Back right door panel, once again, perfect. I know I'm going fast, but this is basically brand new. I've already looked through everything. It is incredible, nice and clean. These are natural Laguna leather, okay? So here's your cleaning instructions, all that good stuff still on the car. Heated seats. Here's your last call stamp. Looks good. Intake nice and clean. Alright, with the wheel fully cranked, it still does not rub. You can put your hand in there. That looks good. Here in the trunk, there's your springs. Looks like a sub.